Good morning. My name is Lizeth Díaz, teacher Luz Eugenia González Mesa. My kings. Good morning. My name is Lizeth Díaz, teacher Luz Eugenia González Mesa. My 15 and years. A few years ago, exactly 2 years since I 2015. It was a very special day for me. I want to celebrate it with my family, friends, and neighbors when things die away. Joy, fun, meal, and we are a good time. I received many gigs yesterday. I was remembering biscuit last month are a similar powerful Lucia. Many cuisine it was a very emotional moment. We remember gave who we live the 5 years ago. Thank you.